Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks. Welcome back. Today we have another video brought to you by my friends over at Nankin Hobby. We have an unboxing of the all-new Super Baja Ray 2.0. So like my other videos, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, show you what comes in the box, and then kind of go over the truck and show you some of the details. I'll also give my initial opinion of it in comparison to some of the other competitors out there, and we'll go from there. So thanks again for tuning in. Stay tuned. Go ahead and enjoy this little montage of the box, and then we'll be right back for the actual unboxing, and then we'll continue from there. All right, thanks. Alright, trust your knife. Also got this from Nankin. So again, like I always say, big shout out to Nankin Hobby for this opportunity, allowing me to do these vids. Yeah, I really appreciate it. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. You know, unboxings are unboxings. You see the box and take it out and go from there. So let's get it popped open. Papers. Alright, we're gonna tease y'all. So here's your remote. Like all the other new Horizon products, they are now shipping it with this DX3. So far I've had no problems with this remote. Like I said before, the older, I think it was the STX2 or whatever that other one they had was pretty trash, but this one is pretty good. So that's that, you know, typical RTR remote, but fairly good. That's just an empty box, nothing in there. Alright, here's your bag of goodies. So looks like we got a sticker sheet. You got your manual, you got your registration card. They even give you batteries for your remote. You have your basic T-tool, your wheel wrench, 17mm wheel wrench. If y'all can see that, looks like a little turnbuckle adjuster. You got that in there too. So that's the manual, nothing special there. Make sure you read it though. If you never had an RC this big or this powerful, make sure you read the manual. Let's get the car out. Oh, she's big. Alright. Here she is. Get this plastic off. Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. This thing is sweet. This thing is sweet. Let me go around to this side. Wow, they did a great job. They did a great job with this. The scale detail is like no other. Wow. I'm gonna get you guys off the stand so you can take a look at it up close. Man, check out that detail. LED light in the grill. We have BF Goodrich Mud Terrain TA branded tires. Looks like real B locks. Or if not, they got real screws around there. That's a nice touch. King Off-Road Racing. Check out that interior. Not bad. You got all the scale details in the back. Some fire extinguishers. A jack. You got 2 spares. Looks like they're working spares. They got foam in them. So these are B locks, as you can see. Let's go around to the back. Look at that. This is nice. I may have to keep this one. Here's your remote. Standard DX3. Nothing special, but it works. You got a rear tail light up there. Wow. You also have a front LED light. Man, this thing is awesome. Check that out. Warning, hot on the drive shaft. You have plastic telescoping drive shaft, but you have metal yokes in there, trailing arms, aluminum shocks. I mean, it's fairly, the original Super Baja array was pretty sweet and bulky. So this is the same, except for they just added way more detail. So they're kind of on the lines like the UDR, the Traxxas UDR, but I mean, I have to be honest, this one is looking a little bit more scale and capable, just from the sheer size of it. So again, standard, I don't know how many of you guys are used to the Losis, but you got this battery tray here. That's where your batteries go. I don't know how to open it though, so we won't be doing that yet. Oh, hold on. Look at that. So before it was a clip and you flipped it open, you slid the battery in. Now it looks like you got a pull and the whole tray comes out. That's awesome. So that's gonna make putting in batteries a lot easier. Look at all that space you got. So you can do dual 4S packs. This does run on 8S, excuse me. So you can do dual 4S packs, dual 3S packs. You got your 2 IC5 connectors. This does have the smart ESC. I'll go over the specs and stuff in a second, but it does have the smart ESC, so you can get all your telemetry back to your transmitter. I like this battery tray. That's definitely an upgrade. Here's where your motor is if you ever need to do any maintenance on that. Man, this thing is sweet. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm going to do a quick montage of the whole truck and then go over the specs, and that'll be it so far. I'm not going to drive this one just yet. I might have to buy this one because this is sweet. Alright, hold on. Man, the lights are They're definitely what's up. I'm gonna get a shot with the lights off in my garage too, so you can kind of see how bright they are. So you got them in the front, got them up top, and we also got them back here, the red and the white. All right, not as dark, but you get the point. So they're pretty bright. You know, you can see pretty good. Yeah, that's sweet looking. That's sweet. Whoo. Alright, so that's it. That was the unboxing of the all new Losi Super Baja Ray 2.0. The link is in the description where you can order yours straight from Nankin Hobby. Again, big shout out to them for allowing this to happen. I haven't ran it yet, so I don't know how it runs, but as far as looks go, I can compare it to the Mojave. I've had the Mojave, and I've also had the Traxxas UDR. The UDR was sweet. It was very scale. It ran scale, so obviously you had to drive it like a trophy truck. You couldn't drive it like a basher because it would just roll. But if you understood that, it was a great truck. Then I also had the Mojave, and I preferred the Mojave, the Armor Mojave, excuse me, over the Traxxas just because you could bash it more. Like it was way more. I don't want to say forgiving, but you know, you could floor it and then go into a turn and kind of cut through. And I mean, that one was full independent suspension though, so it wasn't very scale like the Traxxas UDR, which was, you know, front independent and then rear solid axle. Now at the time, they also had the Super Baja Ray original one, which was cool. It was bigger. It was solid, but I just didn't like the looks of it. It looked too. It looked like a trophy truck, but it wasn't very scale. I'm more into scale stuff. You know, obviously I got, you know, crawlers and monster trucks that are scale looking. I got the Losi, the new Losi, like the DB Pro. I got that one. I also have the laser nut, which is scale. So I like the scale looking stuff. So I didn't. That's why I didn't get the the Losi Baja or Super Baja Ray before. But now, I mean, you know, I love Traxxas, but they're gonna have to come out with something sweet because this thing is bigger than the UDR. If I'm not mistaken, I don't have my UDR anymore, but I'm pretty sure it's a little bit bigger, and the scale realism is right on par, if not better. Especially with the LED lights where they are, the B-lock tires, the King shocks. You know, they also have another livery which I talked about earlier, but this thing is sweet. In comparison to the Mojave, to me personally, they're just two different cars. They're the same style, but the Mojave is more of a straight up basher. I mean, the Mojave is fun though. It drives like a beast. I mean, you could throw power at it and it wheelies it. So the Mojave to me is in a little bit of a different class. This is more of the scale, you know, scale, I guess you could say, basher because it's beefy. But yeah, stay tuned. If you see another video of it running, sorry, Nankin, I had to keep it. Alright, so I thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you can know when I post stuff. I got a bunch of new videos coming out. You know, I'm doing skateboarding, electric skateboarding, all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace.